All right, I'm not sure if you can hear me with this wind, a little bit windier than what I thought. But we are back out here at Gould's Inlet at extreme low tide here Thursday afternoon. Decided to sneak out and finish some projects. So we're at like super low tide, like a negative half a foot. So we'll just see what happens. We're just kind of some low tide goofing around here on this side. Anchor came undone. Woo, got me super wet on that one. Come on. Come on. Yes, sir. Wait until you guys see this one. Oh. Didn't bring the board, but he's definitely over 30. And look, the hook. The hook just came out. Oh my gosh. silver. Looks like they may be coming from off the. Oh, you got a little sand lice on you. Get off of you, buddy. On me? He's playing possum. There. Perfect. Let's see the redfish. Going right down the bank. Oh my gosh! He had it and I pulled it out of his mouth. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Got him! How the heck did I get that guy? That was a sick eat. That was a sick eat. I just cane pulled him, literally cane pulled him in. Oh, what are you hung on now? Get out of there. Tight quarters. Got the tide ripping in. Is there an even bigger one back there? There's an even bigger one. There's an even bigger one. Tournament one. See you, bud. Thanks for the fun. Probably one of the sickest eats I've had in a while. Like I said, I literally just saw him, heard him hit, and then saw him and cane pulled because I didn't have anywhere to go. I just dropped it. And somehow I was still moving the current and he still picked it up. I don't know how.